Explore your ideal student life at Newarke Street Leicester. The property offers a range of shared apartments and studio to choose from. All rooms offer a cozy bed, study desk, and storage place for your belongings. With studio apartments, you would have the entire place to yourself, where you can enjoy your privacy, whereas the shared apartments come with a shared bathroom and shared kitchen. This property prioritizes work-life balance and prioritizes your mental well-being. With vibrant common and games rooms and a bustling social calendar, you'll find everything you need for a balanced lifestyle. Additionally, enjoy amenities such as a study room for focused work and laundry services to ensure your needs are met comprehensively. Nestled within walking distance of esteemed institutions such as De Montfort University and Echo Factory University, this property promises to maximize your productivity by minimizing travel time. Moreover, for those seeking a vibrant social scene, trendy cafes and restaurants like 1573 Bar and Grill and Frankie and Benny's are just a stroll away. With convenient access to transportation hubs like the nearby Foster Road bus stop and Leicester train station, commuting is a breeze. Experience the perfect blend of convenience and comfort at Newarke Street Leicester. Reserve your dream accommodation now at amberstudent.com.